Hi, I'm Joe Shreve. We are in beautiful West Virginia. I made a little list so I don't go ahead and drag this on too long. Basically, it's a little video about we're putting in a tachometer into a 96 Honda Civic. I'm racing it right now for SCDRA here at the local Beckley track. I do have a YouTube channel and you're on it right now. It's 360 racing videos. I will put some 360 videos on there inside and outside the car. Just try to go ahead and see what we can do. Just trying to go ahead and new technology and just see if I can make it interesting for later. Second of all, our team name is Dirt Dogs Racing. We have 3 drivers and 1 crew chief. We have, you know, we're a small operation, but we're having fun with it. My stepson is this is a first place here at this track after 3 races. So I'm in 3rd, but I'm still learning. Okay, got that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and make this simple and make it quick. We're installing the tachometer today. I've looked all over the internet, and it's hard for me to find anything for this particular car. Some people can find it immediately. I couldn't. So anyway, I bought a basic tachometer. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this around real quick to you and show. Again, this is a 360 camera, so I'll try not to go ahead and make you dizzy. This right here is the tachometer that I got. It's a basic one, about $40–50 from Advance Auto. Let's see. Okay, now it comes with 4 wires. There is a red, a white, a black, and a green. Sorry about that. Let me go ahead and try to see here real quick. Okay, basic colors right there. Now I'm not going to take you throughout the car where I wired it and everything, but I am going to go ahead and show you real quick. So you got 4 wires, the red and the white. What I did was I just put it right down here into my cabinet here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right here it's the white is right in there. All I did was put a connector on it. Sorry about this, is so bad. Okay, I put a connector on it, that and the white one. And you can see up in here, there is a little notch up in there. And I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll try to go ahead and zoom in later, where you can put it right up in there, maybe. Right there. Okay, nope, that's not it. Sorry, I'm holding the camera with one hand and doing this with the other one is not working very well. Sorry, this is the reason I kind of like to have the camera with a tripod, so I can do this. Sorry, it's taking longer than expected. I'm really sorry about this. I'm trying to make it as quick as possible. Okay, so now my ground, you can find a good ground spot anywhere. I was having find some good ones because this is a race car. We're taking just about everything out of it. So I wired my ground to right there. Now my green wire, I did actually go through the cab. I just wired it down here really kind of bad. I'll rewire it later and zip tie it. And now we will go ahead and show you where the tachometer wire is, and this is the most important one, fellas and ladies, if anybody's out there doing this. I'm gonna try to set this up here for you so I can kind of shoot, so I can kind of show you and not have to touch the camera. Okay, now brought it through the firewall right here and just wrapped it through here. Now here's the big thing you're gonna have to go ahead and do for the tachometer for this model car. I don't know if you can see it, there's a little dongle right here. Now, do not break it, do not take it off. What I did, I just spliced into it. Now, some people will go ahead and actually do a different splice. I did it this way. I'm hoping it actually sticks during the race. I do have to actually go ahead and tie down this down so that way it doesn't flop around. Okay, so that is basically it. I will go ahead and start my car for you. And again, it's not a great car, so don't be saying, damn, this guy ain't, don't have anything. So, okay, and there she is. I got me a tachometer. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Well, let me go ahead and just show you my car real quick. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you better to you later. Okay, let's see if there's anything else I want to go ahead and tell you real quick. Turn this off. I may go ahead and shorten this down and get a bunch of this crap off here. So, see here. Okay, I think that's about it, fellas. Let's see. Oh yes, one more thing. I've heard some people having to do a jumper from this right here, from this blue wire, over to the this right here. Okay, now I'm not sure exactly which wire they actually plugged into, but I didn't have to do it. I just had to do it there. So hopefully that's all you have to do, and you don't have a big problem. I think this video was hopeful, and again, I'm Joe Shreve here in Beckley, West Virginia. I'll be putting more videos up. They're probably all going to suck, but bear with me. I will get better. This is my first video for YouTube. Thank you very much, and you have a nice day.